Mm, 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 mm. Hello? What's going on, Adam? First one here. Let's go. We'll go live for a little bit too. Or Boker.
What about Boker?
Oh, he just said he's number two.
He's number two. What?
In the chat, Lawrence. Hi, Lawrence. What's going on?
Oh. Yeah, he's gonna have to
Emo
sit and
or
wait.
Emil? I'm sorry I mispronounced your name. Emil, I believe.
Emil.
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 There we go. I always mispronounce things like so bad. Boker says, tell him I got a ride.
Oh, you got it right. Okay, cool, bud. See, I was gonna. He needed me to come pick him up, and I was like, dude, we're fixing to start power hour here in a little bit, and he's an hour and a half
Honda,
away. I'm like,
Tim.
yeah, dude, come on now.
Oh, I thought you meant the spy was moving. Let's see. Is the Nasdaq still flat? What an odd day. Nasdaq literally flat. How about the Dow? Mm.
Dude, did you see the action on AMC today?
I'm telling you, as soon as we ended the stream, something was gonna happen. Look, it shot up right when we ended the stream.
Oh, I'm talking later even. The news. No, Mudrick got
Oh,
just. They got wrecked. I'm so happy to have seen that.
I saw the headline, but I didn't read it. It said they lost what? Or is it at Mudrick Capital loses 10% on AMC trades?
Uh,
What happened with that? They rebought higher, is my guess, or
well, one they got those shares and they sold them cheap, and then on top of that they had calls and and even some puts, I guess, but
mm-hmm.
they got wrecked, and I think once that news came out, it was funny as shit just to watch AMC just shoot up. I was like, go, baby, go.
It's moving up
'Cause I was,
again.
oh yeah. I mean, I want to see it hit 50 because their calls, they sold calls at 40. I don't even know where they put their, where they bought the puts at, but it's just like, yeah, that's right. The king of In and Out just got bent over. I'm loving it.
They got wrecked, huh? You,
Oh,
you,
and
you,
and still looks. If they have anything else out there as far as the derivatives, they're still getting wrecked.
Investing.com just tweeted 8 minutes ago. Mudrick Capital loses 10% on AMC trades. Smart
Oh
money.
hell, it was out on no, it was out on news
Uh,
at noon.
yeah, but no, I saw it earlier. Yeah, but they just tweeted about it right now.
Yeah, and yeah, I'm sitting there wondering. I'm sitting there thinking. I'm like, what if? And I kind of like this play if it is that. I kind of like because hang on, I gotta pause my robot. It's bothering me.
You're what?
I got the iRobot and it's
Oh, the
bothering me.
cleaner, the little.
Yeah. Oh really? Now you're not connected. Hang on, I'll be right back. I'm
All
gonna
right.
send it. I'm gonna.
Yeah, Adam, we're at 40, 48 right now with AMC and 225 for GameStop, up
Yeah.
12%.
So it's like I'm wondering. I don't know. I kind of tinfoil hat thing going on. I was like, maybe, just maybe, Adam Aaron didn't really so much like the fact that they made that deal and then Mudrick sold them immediately. Maybe, just maybe, Adam Aaron let it leak to us, some reporters he actually trusted, and then they put the story out. And I'm like, oh yeah, this is cool because now it's just like Mudrick's getting wrecked. I'm
hmm
loving it.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna replay it again. You think they lost the initial profits they made like 2 weeks ago?
Oh, oh yeah.
Because how
Oh
much
yeah.
was
Yeah. Yeah.
that?
Well, they only made like 30 million or something like that on that.
Yeah, it was like 30 something million. And look at it
Yeah,
go,
they bought
48.7.
it like 27 and sold 30, like 32, I think, and then it just kept going and going and going. And I think what they did at the same time as they got those, I'm willing to bet that they put some, they bought some puts on those, because then they came out almost immediately after they sold everything, said it's overpriced, it's overrated, blah blah blah. I think they were trying to drive the price down, and you know, I got to tell you, I love it when people try to play games and then it turns around and it screws them in the ass. I love it.
They're gonna keep on playing it. That's what I think. Because usually we know at the end of the quarter.
Right.
Hmm.
But
Interesting.
see, that's a long time away. They can
Yeah.
do a lot of things in the meantime, and they'll try and make it up maybe, but you get burned enough putting your hand on the stove, you tend not to put your hand on the stove any longer. And I don't think they have a clue just how strong the retail investor is, or how strong the retail investors' uh, belief in what they're doing and their mission, their goal is. It's, these things really aren't about money plays. This is about saying, hey, Wall Street, SEC, government, wake up, pay attention, do your damn jobs.
Hmm.
Um, so I'm just loving this. Come on, baby, go to 50.
It's funny
Let,
how
let me
this
see
this
50.
this news about them losing 10% is on GameStop news too, and it doesn't really
It's
have
because
any.
it has nothing to do with GameStop. It's just because the authors decided to throw, they're throwing the meme stocks in there. They're throwing all of them in there.
That's interesting.
I saw one earlier today, and I can't remember what was it. Something about and I think it was on a GME news feed where it's down, it's down, it's down until it lost so much Thursday, and then at the very last freaking sentence, they said, oh, but it's doing well. Friday, noon,
Hmm.
it's back up. I was like, you sorry pieces of shit.
Look at Clove. We saw this ridiculous rally off the lows of 13 all the way to 16. You think that was the market makers hedging? Delta hedge?
Well, I actually I do because I was sitting there looking because I couldn't find any news on it. So I went and looked at the options contracts and I saw, I mean, just a ton of options at what was it, 15, 16. I think I wrote you back on that.
Hmm.
And I was like, that sounds like that's going to be hedging. But then, and I haven't even looked at it since because I also told you that if it was simply that, probably around this time it would start,
Coming
coming
down.
down
And it is right now a little bit. 1478.
as they're selling off what they were buying to hedge.
Yep, you were right on that one.
Well, I was guessing, so I may have guessed correctly.
AMC's coming up. 40. I'm talking, we're almost back at 50 again.
Come on, baby, hit 50. Come on,
Oh,
guys. Come on. You can do it. You can screw Mudrick even more. Come on. I have faith in.
the higher this goes, the more they get wrecked. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. I think I saw AMC earlier. Oh, wow. Tesla. Oh, yeah. Soccer going on right now. Italy and Turkey. Tesla Model S Plaid is trending. Somebody asked about this on the chat. What do you think about the new Tesla Model S Plaid for 129K starting price? It's funny because the Model S Plaid is priced higher than the Model X. But I was watching the presentation at the airport while I was waiting, and I liked it. Let's see. Let me see if I can find it. AMC party is trending. The community of AMC investors shares good vibes ahead of the weekend. That's what's trending. Charles Payne. Oh, we lost Rob. His Wi-Fi. We lost Rob. That's what happens when you use Arby's Wi-Fi. Yeah, we're slowly waiting for 50. If we can close above 50, it's going to be that battle of 5001. Oh, what's good on Mitch? Let me see Tesla stock. What are we doing with Tesla stock? This was kind of a flop here. I would expect this to be like 6:30. No, I haven't touched Tesla in a little bit, and it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Ever since I think we took the L, we haven't really tapped with Tesla. Be back in a bit. Perfect. Oh, I'll be live for like 30 more minutes because I gotta go to the shop. Stalin is trending on Twitter. Stalin and Churchill. BlackBerry. Look at the similarity and patterns here, guys. On AMC and BlackBerry and GameStop. Literally right around the same time you have the spikes here. AMC, same thing. Let's see, Model S. You could watch a movie in the Model S Plaid. Let's see. Where's it at? I'd still go with the Model X though. On what, Mitch? You've been loading the dips on what? Microvision. CNBC saying that Jay Leno will be on the Shepard Smith show tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern to talk about Tesla. Has anybody been keeping up with the short Ortex data? Let's actually pull that up right now. Ortex.com. AMC. Yeah, I think you said you sold your Tesla, right? The ro the robots took out Robert. Let's see. Short interest. Plus 0.72%. Let's see. 3.8 million shares returned. How many on loan? 78 million. Go to GameStop. Plus 4.3%. 597,000 shares returned. On loan 12 mil. What was that? Cost to borrow 3.89. What was AMC's? 80% utilization. Intel 6.87. You guys remember when this was maxed out like at 99? Let's go see Fintel really quick. Close this. Oh, GameStop 228. You guys think we close above 50 today on AMC? That's our target right here, above 50. I don't know how long we're gonna trade above 50 for. We're probably gonna consolidate there for quite some time. The launching of Sputnik. Pretty sure he does. NCLH, unusual whales. What is that? NCLH. Oh, Norwegian cruise lines. Unusual activity. December 17, $30 puts. See what Bitcoin's at. 37. Did anybody buy the dip on Bitcoin the other day? Oh, what's going on, William? Let's actually put up Dogecoin price for William. I'm trying to see what Doge is at. My guess is, I didn't even get to guess. It's at 31. It's been kind of struggling. 31. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Nathan, I don't know how long AMC is going to be trading around this range for, the AMC $50 range. I'm gonna have a video out tonight for you guys, but I think one thing I mentioned is this looks exactly similar to this rally we had here, in which we pulled back and then we just consolidated for quite some time. We're trading sideways and then we just had to rip up. The volume came pouring back in. I think a lot of day traders, swing traders were initially hopping in right around the 30, the run up, and then as it cooled off, I think they're on the sidelines. Even we were trading AMC, and now we're not. Oh, you got Bitcoin at 30? I was scared to buy the dip this time. The other times around, I did buy the dip, and it kept on dipping. So I thought we would see sub 30. I'm not gonna lie, it was really close, like 30.8. It was close, man. If it comes under 30, oh man, that's gonna be the dip buy of the century. Bitcoin under 30K. This is the cockpit, I guess you can say, for the Model S. What do you guys think about that steering wheel? And you can watch movies, charge your phones and whatnot. So it kind of gives you more of that visibility. GameStop. Let's go! 229. 231. Look at this. AMC's gonna follow. I think we close above 50. Come on, we got a couple more minutes. Launch mode, right? This car's fast. The quickest production car ever, 0 to 60 in 1.99, 200 miles per hour top speed. It's also one of the safest too. That's the badge. And it also unlocks with your phone, I believe he said. So as soon as you start to get close to the card, it starts to unlock. And it recognizes your patterns. So if you, I think Elon said if you usually, like it'll back up for you. I don't know how he explained it, but it starts to understand your patterns. Damn it, GameStop, let's go! 231. This is what happens when every time Rob leaves. Every time Rob takes a nap, a GameStop starts rallying. Paper hand selling for security over the weekend. Oh, it is Friday, yeah. That's true, but we're not seeing that right now, actually. 232. Can we see 240 GameStop? One thing we also mentioned is I think they completed the 5 million, the selling of 5 million. So don't be surprised if you see that, if they raise more equity. The big pump on AMC on Monday. Bro, I'm using your hashtag at new high is not a meme on Twitter. There we go. Look at the daily. The daily we're bouncing off the EMA on AMC. 41.31. We need to be trading above 50 next week and start to retest 60. I mentioned that in tonight's video that once we get to 60, I think you'll see the volume come back in, and I think that could take us to new highs. There we go. AMC's coming following GameStop 49.16. Oh man, what a close. This is what we needed. I'll send you Arby's if you look at the new the XP EV car. Yeah, I took a look at the XP. I actually like it because it has the wing doors. Is it the suicide doors? Let's see. I actually like the colorway too. The green one, the lime green one. I'll show you right now. X-Pen car. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like it a little bit more than Tesla. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. It's called, I think it's G7, not G3 or P7. I'm sorry. I think it's this one. It's the green one though. See, that's nice. I also think that yeah, don't sleep on Mercedes though. 49.17 for AMC. Yeah, it's the wing doors. There you go. Tom says AMC 51 plus is my bet. And to close, we have 19 minutes. I just want to see 50 close. Above 50, anything's a win. I mean, we were down at 42, or even just then go back yesterday. 39, was it low? 39.71 yesterday? What's going on, Keith? Welcome back. Pulling back now. Let's take a look at the 5. I think we're overextended slightly on the 5. The 5 EMA is at 226. I'll take it. We still got some time. Let's see if we can bounce off of that. Let's see. Twitter. Let's see if we're seeing a sell-off on SPY. Yep, we are. We're seeing a slight pullback here. 423. Coming off the highs, though. New highs, guys. 424 was a new high. My VIX calls got wrecked. Yeah, I got wrecked on this one. Don't try to play the Fed or go against the Fed. I had 18, right? I have till next week, though. So we have the Fed Tuesday and Wednesday. So I still have a chance. I still got one last shot of hope. All right, there we go. We're bouncing off EMA 49. People jumping in and to get out for and take profit. That's exactly what I think happened with AMC when we had the run up, the crazy run up. You guys remember the volume was completely. It's like it kept hitting a new high. It kept bouncing. Every dip was bought out. That was nuts. And I think I want to see that again on AMC and GameStop. But yeah, you're right. I think a lot of people were taking profits too. Apple envisions a smart home where users can unlock the front door with their iPhone. Chief economist says real inflation is now in the double digits and pain is coming. I think the next print for June coming out in July is going to be double digits. That's my guess. I think double digits is coming. Guys, if you guys haven't taken a look at the book called When Money Dies, Michael Burry was actually tweeting not so long ago. You guys remember when Burry was on Twitter? When Michael Burry was tweeting for quite some time before they shut him down, they deleted his Twitter, they took him down. He was tweeting about that book, When Money Dies, I believe it's called. Let me see. When Money Dies, and it starts talking about Germany in the 1920s and he compares it to how the situation is right now, and it's so similar. When Money Dies. This one. Adam Ferguson. See, 1920s. Hopeful moments, and then boop. Did you see Ricky's? I love Ricky. Did you see Ricky's yesterday? People come at him for day trading AMC and taking profit. I'm telling you, I saw all of that in my head coming out, unfolding. I know Ricky. He's a cool guy. I met him a couple times, and I know his strategies and whatnot. And he's very intelligent, smart trader. Very, very smart. I'm not gonna lie. Ricky's probably the guy who I try to mimic the most with his trading style. When I first started trading, I subbed to Ricky when he was at 30K subs. I kid you not. When Ricky was at 30K subs is when I found out about him, way back when I was in like barely graduating high school, and he blew up. He's almost at a million, I believe. He's like so close to a million subscribers, right? And I just love this trading style. And it's what it's his trading style is probably the same as mine. Just be very, very uh like try to cut your losses really quickly. Like don't try to chase things, you know. And I have to thank him for that. So yeah, I did see his videos and he was day trading AMC and I don't think he knew. I saw that play in my head. I'm like, a lot of these newer YouTubers, are not newer YouTubers, but newer YouTubers on covering AMC don't know, you know, that they don't like day traders. They don't like when people talk about bad about AMC. And I think he got a lot of hate for that, right? Because he said he was day trading and he made like 80K. I think he said or some 60K day trading AMC, and he got a lot of hate. And it's just like let the guy take his profits, you know? Like come on. Like, and I think he had a new video out today. I think he said he bought more, right? Let's see. Let's see. Let's go to YouTube really quick. Yeah, day trading AMC stock with 500,000. Oh, this guy's taking some big risk. Oh wow, AMC stock pushed up 30% on the day. We're up 14, and during the bullish run, I had a total of 500K invested in my day trade. I plan to hold 1,000 shares of AMC over the weekend to manage my risk. Over the weekend? I mean, it's not bad. We're at 49 right now. The chance of it gapping up Monday above 55, can that happen? He'd make pretty good profits, and I best believe he's gonna lock in those profits. Let's see the comments. AMC profit today is a little over 50K. See, he made 50K on AMC today. This is not a normal day for me. I am simply here to explain what I do. Yeah, these profits are massive because he's sizing in with a lot of capital. So he's taking a lot of risk. Someone said just imagine if he bought option contracts instead. And yeah, Ricky doesn't do options. I don't see any hate on this anymore. His other videos probably got a lot of hate, but oh, look, see, there we go. Some guy named Victor, he said, bruh, you putting out this day trading AMC message that's going against our movement of holding. This is disappointing to say the least. To see a big influencer entice day trading, sigh. Holding a stock that is clearly going down for the cause is a fast way of getting wrecked, somebody replied. Look him up, Ricky Gutierrez. So somebody replied, bro, check out Matt Core's live stream. He was talking mad shit about you. See, I don't like that. Oh, is that a lie? Some guy replied, lies. Don't start drama. Matt did not say that. I guess that's a lie. Yeah, I don't think talking shit about somebody has never been something I've done, and I won't do it anytime soon. There's so many ways to make money in this bull run, and that's all I'm here to cover. Thanks. All the trolls, man, just trying to start beef. Drama. Ricky Bobby? No, he wasn't talking mad. Yeah, I don't think Matt was talking mad crap. I don't think they care, honestly. I don't think nobody cares. Like, oh, you're day trading. It's like whatever, you know, make your money, but like, no big deal. Let's see. Afternoon naps during market hours are low-key underrated. We are talking about that this morning. I took a nap. I slept this morning, guys. I ended the stream and I knocked out. What's going on, Aziz? Drama for no reason. He addressed that earlier in his stream. Let's see what Bam says. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Look, how I don't know, Bam. I like the guy. I think he's made a lot of calls, but usually when somebody has like a service or something, and like he's pumping it here, not pumping it, but plugging in here, I'm just kind of like skeptical about it. Pushing sales way too hard, brother. You have not provided enough value to be doing this much. Asking this early, real talk. Actually, it's working very well for all involved. This is a service that was 5,000 per month to PMs, pension managers, I believe, and 499 per month to retail. apes are thanking me for the $349 for the entire year. $349 was the cost of a single round turn commission when I started. That's tremendous value in GP. Yeah, okay. See, I'm just very skeptical, you know? Naps are the key to long life. I forgot who was it. Let's see. I forgot who took naps and didn't sleep. Like they just take a nap every 3 hours. It wasn't Einstein, was it? No. Or I think it was Franklin, maybe? Naps are underrated. Oh, no way. Ford's at I forgot about Ford. We were watching this like at 12 tank after their earnings. Right around here, look. We gapped down from 12 all the way to 11. Who bought the dip on Ford? How many orders do they have for the Lightning? I know it went from 20K orders and then we jumped up to 70K and I forgot. I left it there. Does anybody know how many orders they have? They got a price tag upgrades. 18 from 16. Hmm. Oh, this is that one YouTuber. MKBHD. Marquise, right? Brown. Says the F-150 Lightning is much better than he expected. This guy has such amazing quality videos on YouTube. He does reviews on like iPads, iPhones, and tech basically. 100K. It was Einstein. Who is it? Hmm. Yeah, not, sleep is literally I value sleep a lot. Like if I don't sleep, if I don't get my hours of sleep, I just feel like crap. And I just start making mistakes. I start forgetting. Like I don't feel all the way there. But there's some people that they could do 4 hours of sleep and they're like sharp as a tack. I'm just like, what? Like I have my coffee here. Shout out to AMC stock, GameStop stock. Nikola Tesla followed the all sleep schedule as well as an Da Vinci. Yes, I'm glad you know. I forgot the because when you go to when you're kind of dozing off, your brain waves go from beta to alpha to theta and then to delta. So he I forgot who was it. He'd have a ball, a steel ball in his hand on the couch, and he just have it right there, right? And as soon as he started like going to sleep, the ball would drop and it would wake him up. And I think his ideas would come around the alpha state. I think I have something like that. Somebody let me know if I'm wrong. It's along those lines though. Is the volume dying off for AMC or is it just sitting right now? Volume has been diminishing, yes. Dying off completely, no. It's still at ridiculous levels. We'll pull up Yahoo Finance right now. Yahoo Finance. Let's see, AMC. What is it at right now? I mean, I'm just trying to think back up to April, May levels. There wasn't a lot of volume. The volume right now, guys, is 207 million. That's still a crap ton. When you have Tesla trading what, like 30 million on a good day? Let's see what Tesla's at. 15 mil for Tesla stock, not even 30. The average volume is 31. And you have AMC trading 200 mil. It's not dying, it's still a lot, but it's just because you're comparing it to a couple weeks ago, you know? You know, I hate to say it like I do because I always refer to the apes as lemurs. Will follow one, lemurs will follow one another off the edge of a cliff to their deaths, and they don't do valuations which control price. There was a lot of hysteria on AMC, and I I I kind of do agree, and I kind of disagree too. That it's like there's just like this mass consensus that everyone's just gonna hold, and wherever this goes, you know, they control the floor and whatnot. That can be somewhat problematic for some people that can't afford just in case this goes south to take the loss, you know. But some people can, and I think that's what people don't understand. That people who are pushing to just hold, some people are in different financial positions, man. Some people have their life savings in this, like rent money. I've seen people talk about putting in their rent money, like no, you know. I don't know. It doesn't make me feel good. Marquise Brown, MK. BHC. He has a video with Mr. Wonderful? Sleep apnea today, although I was wondering why I felt so bad the last few months. Yeah, I'm probably the same. I value sleep a lot. Lemmy, not a lemur? What is the difference? Isn't that from Madagascar? Or what was that? Wait, is it the funny looking ones? This guy, yeah. Wait. Lemming versus lemur. Lemming versus lemur. I thought they were the same thing. Look, it's funny because the first thing I pull up is lemming or lemur, and the picture that comes up is literally them falling off a cliff. Where you were just talking about. What do I have Ford pulled up? What about GameStop? Let's go! Come on! There's 4 minutes, and we're 40 cents away from 50. The last push. Come on. Meme stocks are back in demand after traders circle back from Bitcoin. Ah, I mentioned this in tonight's video, man. I literally talked about this. This is like, they read my mind. They're just bouncing back and forth. It's like Bitcoin tanks. Oh, let's go to Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's back at 38. Let's go back to AMC. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, Ford F-150 Lightning impressions better than expected. 5.3 million views in 2 weeks. What a legend. I need to watch this video after the bell. Let's mute it because he's gonna copyright us. He's gonna be like, who is this YouTuber guy trying to copyright our video? Let's see. Let's see the comments. Finally, sufficient power bank for my Galaxy S phone. Oh no, this guy Dave says I take this over a Cybertruck. Yeah, I'm gonna click off this video. Xpeng, we were just talking about Xpeng. Xpeng unusual options activity. Where'd it go? XPEV. Oh no way. What? Where has the stock been? Oh crap. I think we're watching this at $30. Look at the choppiness in this pattern. What? A lot of big players for June 25. June 25. We're playing weeklies here. 47 call on Xpeng. Come on, GameStop. Oh, there we go. 234. AMC, are we above 50? I think we can close 50. Come on, we got a minute and 30 seconds. He's on the Cybertruck waitlist? Yeah, I'm pretty sure he is. He loves Tesla too. I mean, like, if you're in that position, he is, you want to do everything, you know? I'm pretty sure he has the capital to just get any car he wants, and he could review every car, you know? So, his preference, his favorite is probably, I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe, hopefully it's a Cybertruck, but we'll see. Come on, new high is not a meme. GameStop's looking a little stronger here into the close. Oh, as I said that, we're pulling back at 233, but I want that push again on AMC. Come on, we got 53 seconds. Can we do a 50 close? Come on, is 50 a meme? We got a lot of time. 45 seconds, a lot can happen. That means they're like a weird little rat. Lemon is like a rodent. What? Let's see, lemon. Which is the one from Madagascar? Is that a lemon or a lemur? Oh, this is a lemon. Oh yeah, I was just thinking something else. This is like a gerbil or something like that. No, the ones from Madagascar are lemurs. They're not lemmings. Come on, 10 seconds. Oh man. Yeah, we're not gonna see 50. We were close though. Maybe after hours, guys. Maybe after hours. Come on, after hours. I know you can do it. Each and every trader needs to do what's best for them, just like Ricky said yesterday, and agree with him. Yeah, Ricky always pushes that. Just don't do anything stupid that, you know, watch his videos, guys. Manage your risk. Try not to get FOMO. He's a very, very disciplined trader. I give him that. Just scroll through the chat a bit. So YouTubers who take your super chat money just to be heard are upset at profit takers. Everyone's upset at profit takers, especially on AMC. Yeah, we had a 49.40 close. Mine is showing 40. 49.40. It's not bad. GameStop closed at 2:33. It's moving after hours. GameStop's moving after hours. Come on, AMC. Tesla closed at 608, 609.89. 2:35 after hours for GameStop. Look at the trend line here. We created this trend line on March 23rd. On March 23rd, we created this trend line. And look at where we bounced off of today. Literally, the trend line. It honored that. I like that. Good night for now, I guess. Good night, Destroyer. Yeah, that's a lemur. I feel like I like lemurs. I think they're funny. Can I own one of these? Lemurs from Madagascar. I mean, look at this guy. California teen pleads guilty to snatching rare lemur from zoo. What? Admitted to plead guilty to swiping Isaac, a 32-year-old ring-tailed lemur from the Santa Ana Zoo on July. What? Local man sentenced to 90 days in prison for stealing lemur. It's him. Oh, let's take a look at the heat map. Not too bad. Warren Kitty tweeted. The weekend. That's what he tweeted. Meerkat. Get a meerkat. Isn't that like there's a social media app called Meerkat, no? Oh, these are funny. I want one of these. Wait, what was the app? Meerkat social media. Oh yeah, it was a live streaming. It was like a Periscope. It was Periscope, I think, and they switched to Meerkat. How much are meerkats? Oh, they're not expensive. The purchase price of the animal, if you can find one, the meerkat, will be at least $1,000. Alrighty. Have a good one, John. Have a great weekend. Party hardy. LOL, Ralph is talking AMC again. We accept you, bro, even though you ditched us. I don't care if you accept me or don't. I really don't. Looking at prices for meerkats, what happened to beer sale prices? Very disappointed. How do you like shooting guns for the first time? I was very thoroughly. Now I want to get a gun. Feel the freedom, baby. And now I know why you guys are saying ammo is expensive. Oh boy. I'm not gonna ban him. I'll just leave the guy. I want to see AMC after hours 50. Usually the moves happen. I mean, we still got a couple hours till market closes. After hours closes, I should say. US stocks rose slightly on Friday. Let's see. SPY, what did we close at? What? We didn't even see a sell off on SPY. We probably saw an imbalance. There we go. Look, imbalance. Oh crap, man! Look at this, guys. 153 million on the sell side, 537 million on the sell side imbalance, and a 2.4 billion on the buy side. Does that mean Nasdaq shot up too? GG's to my VIX calls. What does that mean? That means you had a big institution, I don't know, a fund, just snatch up on the buy side. That's just my guess. I don't know what they could be expecting next week, other than the Fed. Maybe they're taking the bet that they don't taper and they keep on printing, buying more treasuries and mortgage-backed securities. Can you do a mini explain on Gap and why people are excited about it, especially since you're not a financial advisor? I don't know what you mean by Gap. Can you explain? Gap, Gap. Oh, you mean Gap up? Like Gap up on AMC until Monday, or MG, have a good weekend. Likewise. Look at GameStop after hours, 235.80. Nothing too crazy yet, but we're still green. Oh, 236. 49 up, 236.10. Go! 49.20 for AMC. My expiration is next week for my VIX calls. June 18. $236.10. Yeah, a gap in like price. Yes, AMZ example. So literally a gap up is just the price up is higher than what it closed at. So if we close after hours, say 49.50. No. Okay, let's say 50 just to make it easier. In which I think we might hit 50 after hours right now. Look at it go, baby. So say we hit 50 after hours and we just close at 50 flat. A gap up is literally Monday pre-market. We open up at 51, 52. We start trading at 53. That's a gap up. That's just pretty much it. And a gap down is literally the opposite. When we start opening up lower than what we closed at. Gap up, gap down. I think next week will be bloody. You think it's because of the Fed as well? Like I literally don't know. There's like 30 something economists that are saying that the Fed might start to talk about tapering November, that end of this year, and actually start tapering next year, mid next year. It's just like it's hard to bet against the Fed, you know. Guys, literally, I think AMC might go to 50 after hours. Look, we're not even that far off. Tesla's gonna come down to 590, 580. Oh man, I made a bet with Rob that Tesla's not gonna ever see $69 in 3 years. If it comes down to $69, I lose a grand. So NOVN gapped up hard today. Novin sounds familiar. Yep. Look at this. Look at this pre-market. What? Gap up from like 9 to 10. What's up with this? Treatment, bio. Roth Capital just price target to $40 from 26. Phase 3 trial. Another one that I'm waiting for that one of my boys is invested in is ONTX that just came off a 1 to 15 split. Got wrecked on this one. I think they're still waiting for the results. And they're going to participate in some healthcare virtual thing. Presentation at 2021 Biodigital. And they're still waiting for I think it's some cancer treatment. Here it is on 21st of May. Initial first dosing the first patient in US phase 1. So we're still waiting on that, but he has a lot of money in this one. Come on, we're so close to 50 after hours. VXRT. I know you don't like back stocks. Oh man, gap up too. I mean, look at this February. From 7 to almost $25. So what do we got on here? Like high of 10? Yeah, I know. You know I don't like back stocks. Options call sweep near 608 at 48 versus 37. Earnings on August. Price target of $18. Man, GameStop is moving. Can we see 250 after hours? That might be a long shot, but I believe. AMC saw 50. Oh! Oh man, we saw 50. So I can leave now in peace. See you later, Tommy. I think we might end it here. I have to go to the shop. Oh, what a time to end it. 1 p.m. on June 1 2021. 50, 12 force. Yeah, we saw 50, 30. So, hey, it broke 50. I like that. GameStop, though, 237.88. Yesterday, I'm pretty, guys, I'm telling you, they're gonna announce that they raised some equity today after hours, maybe, or next week. That selling pressure yesterday was no joke. How did Clover and all these other ones? Sir, this is the Wendy's moving up into close. Interesting. El Salvador has a poster board for Bitcoin. No news on these yet. I'm excited for next week. BlackBerry doing the same thing into close. 5011 AMC after hours. Good vibes all around, baby. Oh, Michael Riley doesn't think, he thinks opposite. Short NOVN. He wants to get at 6. I'll see you later, Nathan. I'll see you Monday morning. We're back to our regular schedule. I actually liked 8:30 market open. 8:30 a.m. market open. We're back to 6:30. We're back to waking up extra early. I'll see you later, Scoogs. Have a good one. Let's see. One last glance at Twitter. Let's see. Anything new? No. That's pretty much it. So what's trending? One last thing. 2021 French Open. There's that tennis. We got AMC short squeeze trending in California. Hashtag AMC short squeeze. Hashtag AMC party. Critical race theory. Tesla Model S Plaid. Golden Corral. I forgot about that. That's like this buffet, right? I heard some bad things about Golden Corral like a couple years ago. Something about, you know how they have like this chocolate fountain? I think I've never been there, but I heard a lot of bad things about it. I think they have like this chocolate fountain where you could just get like strawberries and just like dip it in there. And I heard it was just not well sanitized, I guess you can say. It's just disgusting. I forgot what I read. They got exposed by an employee there, I think. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? Prague is dipping. Oh, Prague is ripping. 321 close, 417 after hours. What's the news on this one? Literally, there's no news on this. Not yet, right? That fountain is a cesspool. I want to see this. I want to see the replies on this. Let's see. Golden Corral chocolate fountain. Golden Corral trending reminds me of the last time I went there and watched a grown-ass man dipping his fingers in the chocolate fountain. Oh man. I wonder how the kid who stuck their hand in the chocolate fountain at Golden Corral 10 years ago is doing now. All right, we're kind of pulling back here on AMC after hours, but hey, we hit 50. We still got a couple hours into after hours close, but I think that's pretty much it. I think that's pretty much it. GameStop's kind of holding here. I have to edit a video. I'll have a video out for you guys in a bit, and and I'll see you guys Monday pre-markets. We have a very big week next week with the Fed, so you're so diplomatic. It's gross. Just say it. I've never been there. I've never been there. I think I went one time, and it was just too packed, and we left. I think that's what it was. I don't know why Golden Corral was getting so much hate. I don't know. Take a look at these tweets, man. I don't know why Golden Corral is getting so much hate. I used to love going there and dipping my sirloin, cheese pizza, or hand directly in the chocolate fountain. I, lo- I lost two wristwatches in the Golden Corral chocolate fountain. Which one was the other one? I see Golden Corral trending. Stay away from the diarrhea cascade. I mean chocolate fountain. Oh man. I've never been to a Golden Corral, but now post-pandemic and finding out how nasty everyone truly is, I just can't get down with the face anymore. Wait, what? No, that's not real. Quick question, why y'all YouTubers always gotta be so salty? Just once I wanna heat one, y'all say take it with the grain of pepper. Take, like Robert says, take it with the 10 pound bag of salt. GG Phoenix. Dude, if you want great comments, go to Amazon Haribo gummy bears. What do you mean, like the reviews on that? Or what? Amazon customer reviews. I don't see any bad reviews on this. I mean, I do, but they're pretty reasonable. Oh, yeah, I don't get it. I don't get it. I think I want the wrong product or something. Oh, these are sugar free. No, I don't get it. They're good reviews. Godpell, I've saw him do to Friday. Oh yeah. Oh, what happened with Godpell? I think you said he had Tesla calls, right? Or Tesla puts. He initially had Tesla puts like a while back, and then he flipped on Tesla calls, right? There's no reason for the markets not to continue to go up. We're getting COVID-19 under control. The United States is getting to work again. It's very bullish for the market. To quote from Kudlow. We'll see what the market thinks when they raise interest rates. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here for reals now. 75 strikes at 14 cents expiring today, about on Monday. Ooh. Yeah, I think he was betting on the. My guess is the plat event. That's my best guess. So we'll end it here. Um, we'll be back Monday. I'll have a video right now in a couple hours, and then yeah, Monday pre-market. So with that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your Friday weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you guys Monday. Peace out.